Little baby doll and Pizzle.
Pizza.
Nope.
Look.
Hit.
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 Hit. Hit. Hit. Hit. Hit. Hit. Slow. Now, clearly, little baby doll and I mean business tonight. And the two of us decided to make a video tonight letting everybody know that the train is getting ready to leave the station. I don't know which one of us is conducting this train, but we'll figure that part out. We want to know who's getting in the train with us. Hit! 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 Slow! We want to know who's getting in the train with us, because this train is getting ready to make a playoff push. We're not like the geeks or the booger-eating content creators going around talking about mock drafts in November. Eat your boogers, geeks. Not little baby doll and Pizzle, no. We're getting ready to make a playoff push. Ain't that right, little baby doll? Can I get a woo?
Woo!
Woo! Woo! You see, the two of us believe in Daniel Jones. The two of us believe in Dave Gettleman. The two of us believe in Joe Judge. Hit! 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 Slow! No question that the second half of the season is going to have a little bumpy roads. No doubt about it. It ain't going to be an easy drive. It ain't going to be just a smooth ride to get to the playoffs. You're going to have to dig deep as Giant fans. How about we quit with the nonsense the next couple months? How about we stop with the narrative of whose fault it is, who's getting fired, who's doing what? How about we just suck it up as Giant fans one time in your freaking life and just make this playoff push? Are you okay back there?
Yeah.
Hit! 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 Mock drafts in November. Geeks!
Yeah.
Geeks!
Yeah.
Geeks!
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Prime time, little baby doll. Monday Night Football against the Super Bowl defending champs. A chance to go on national television and let the world know the New York Football Giants are back. And it's a very favorable schedule after the Bucks. And don't you get it twisted, little baby doll. I'm gonna double moonwalk that geek next week. I can't wait. Hit!
Hit.
Hit! 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 So the train is getting ready to leave the station. Anybody who wants on board, now's your chance. It leaves in the morning. Little baby doll, don't be scared. It leaves in the morning. When does it leave, little baby doll? In the morning. It leaves in the morning. In the morning. If you ain't on the train, enjoy being with the Geek Squad.